everyone, this is Shweta and you are watching my channel. So today we are going to make an abstract water scene. The composition is called Boat in the Afternoon. So stay tuned and keep watching. And yes, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And here we go. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And yes, do like, share and comment on the video. So stay tuned and keep watching. I will be back soon.